One image can express a million words. This image can represent who you are. As a business owner, it's important to take advantage of every opportunity to communicate who you are and what you do. Royal Latino Graphics is already helping hundreds of businesses seize the moment. Our team of professionals love to design, create, and print whatever you need to grow your business. Count on your very own creative services department for the best prices, quick turnarounds, and quality work. Royal Latino Graphics. Service, creativity, and professionalism. That's what we do. First impressions count. In seconds, potential customers decide to buy or use your product or service. Is your company ready to leave a great impression? Royal Latino Marketing can be the very team you need to make that happen. Our team of professionals are ready to help your business increase sales and dominate your industry. As an entrepreneur, you need to focus on your business. Let us focus on developing your marketing plan. Royal Latino Marketing. Service, creativity, and professionalism. That's what we do. Contact your marketing department and start your next campaign with us.